So what we're working on right now is we're taking a bunch of, we're going to be doing geometric shapes as opposed to the organic shapes we've been doing. And if you remember, we had talked about organic shapes being those that you kind of closely find in nature. And then geometric shapes are the ones that you usually find in something like geometry. So I went around the house and got a whole bunch of different sized circular shapes in order to work on my geometric shapes. And I'm going to trace around those and put them randomly on the page. Sometimes it's interesting too, actually, I'm going to use that one more time, if you kind of run things off of the page, just because it, I don't know, it adds some interest in there. And then two, overlapping shapes is usually pretty, adds some dynamic quality to it. So I got my different size shape from like a glass, and this is a kind of a measuring cup. It's called a jigger. Right, and I'm doing this, tracing on the inside and tracing on the outside. And now I've broken up my space a bunch so then I can try, and I'm going to use a ruler, and I'm going to do just some random lines throughout my page in order, it will add, straight lines are geometric shapes as well, because you don't find too many straight lines in nature, right? So what we just did was went from geometric shapes or organic shapes when we were using our random lines and getting ones that we find in nature a lot, to more geometric shapes. And now I have some geometric shapes. And I can use those spaces to fill in everything I need to fill in.